Hi guys, and welcome to my usually very messy but fun craft table. And today's experiment is viewer inspired. In my last video, I again asked for favorite colors, ideas, what did you guys want to see? And several left comments mentioning using a mix of metallics. And I have several metallics, as you can see here. Some of them very, very old, some of them not so old. So I jumped at that chance. I like the idea of using the old paint, and I had not used metallics. And of course I've got the silver and gold already. And I also found these little cups right at Walmart. And they come with lids, so I can mix them up and have them ready for whenever. But enough jabbering. Let's get to work and see what we can come up with, shall we? And there you have it, my fail. From straight down, it doesn't look so bad, but if you can tell, it totally curled right up. And everything ran into the middle. Everything turned to mud, which is too bad because I really, really like this here. But lesson learned. I will be doing another one. I will be using metallics. But like I said, lesson learned. And one of the lessons is don't expect cheap canvas boards to hold a lot of paint. And because when they dry, they're going to curl up. And another thing, these little cups with the lids are amazing, and you can buy them at Walmart. The one thing you have to remember though, because these can be washed and used several times, but if you're going to mark on them, like I've got silver and how much I used, don't use permanent marker because it doesn't wash off. Okay, so just a couple tips, that's all it is. And like I said, it was a great experiment. It looked great for about 15-20 minutes. It was beautiful. And I am going to do it again, I promise. So, thank you for clicking on my video, fail or not. I really appreciate the time that you spend watching me make these messes and my little experiments. And if you enjoyed it, which I hope you found at least this much enjoyment, or at least a good laugh, hit the subscribe button. Click the little bell to it'll let you know when I make another mess. And if I did okay, hit the like button. But whatever you do, have a wonderful week, and I promise I will see you when I learn to talk. I will see you soon. Bye-bye now. Done.